If you're spending hours creating content every week, this video is going to change your life. Today, I'm walking you through exactly how to bulk schedule and post content using Syllaby, so you can plan days or even weeks of content in one sitting. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create multiple pieces of content fast, schedule them all at once, and automate your posting across platforms. Let's jump in. This tutorial is perfect if you're a content creator, a business owner, an affiliate marketer, or someone who knows they should be posting consistently. But life gets busy. Syllaby was built for people who want results without being glued to their phone. Once you're logged into Syllaby, the first thing you want to do is generate content. You can do this a few different ways. But for bulk scheduling, I like to start with content ideas or scripts. Go to the script writer or content ideas section and enter your niche or topic. This could be affiliate marketing, real estate, fitness, wellness, or any business you're in. Syllaby instantly gives you ready-to-use scripts, hooks, and talking points. Instead of creating just one piece of content, we're going to create several at once. Here's where the magic starts. Choose several scripts you like. Think 5, 10, or even 20 pieces of content. Now click Create Video. Syllaby automatically matches visuals, adds captions, and formats everything for short-form platforms. You can tweak the text, visuals, or voice if you want, but you don't have to. This alone saves me hours. Once your videos are created, this is where bulk scheduling comes in. Select multiple videos at the same time and click Schedule. Now choose your platform, your posting dates, and your posting times. You can literally schedule one post per day, multiple posts per week, or an entire content calendar in just minutes. No reminders, no alarms, no, "Oh no, I forgot to post." One of my favorite things about Syllaby is the workflow. My personal system looks like this. One day a week, about 30 to 60 minutes, with all my content planned, created, and scheduled. After that, I don't touch it. While my content is posting automatically, I can work, spend time with family, or focus on money-making tasks. This is how small creators stay consistent without burning out. Quick tip: don't overthink perfection. Done and scheduled always beats perfect and never posted. Syllaby is designed to help you move faster, not get stuck tweaking. If you want to try Syllaby for yourself, I've linked it below. That link gives you access to script writing, AI video creation, bulk scheduling, and automated posting all in one platform. If consistency has been your struggle, this tool removes the excuse. Check out the link and let me know in the comments if this helped. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to stop overworking their content. I'll see you in the next one.